Did you know pharmacists in Ireland can earn between 40,000 to 70,000 euros a year on average? Sounds exciting, right? But the real question is, how do you become a pharmacist in Ireland? In this video, we'll discuss just that. Hello everyone and welcome back to Academically. Whether you dream of studying there or want to register through the PSI route, this video has it all covered. Now let's break this down step by step. Ireland is one of the best places to study and practice pharmacy. You get world-class universities, great pay and a strong healthcare system. Now, there are two main ways to become a pharmacist in Ireland. First is the study route if you want to start fresh in an Irish university, and second is the PSI registration route if you already have a pharmacy degree from another country. Now let's quickly explore both. If you're just starting out, you can apply to a 4-year BSc in pharmacy at universities like Trinity College Dublin or University College Cork. After your degree, you'll complete a 1-year internship followed by the professional registration exam, the PRE. Once you pass that, you can register with the Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland, PSI. This is the body that regulates all the pharmacists in the country. This route is great for high school graduates or those who wish to experience Irish education firsthand. But if you've already completed your pharmacy degree abroad, the PSI route is your shortcut. If you're finding this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Just a plug-in. Now alright, let's talk about the PSI registration route. This is essentially for international pharmacists. Step 1 is apply for recognition. You'll submit your pharmacy qualification to the PSI for assessment. They'll check if your degree meets Irish standards. Step 2 is the required exams. If your qualification isn't fully aligned, you will need to complete an adaptation period or take the PSI exam. Don't worry, this is just to ensure that you're up to speed with Irish pharmacy practice. Step 3 is internship and language proficiency. You might have to do a short internship under supervision and show English language proficiency, IELTS or TOEFL. Now step number 4, register as a pharmacist. Once approved, you'll officially be added to the PSI register, and that's it. You're ready to practice in Ireland as a licensed pharmacist. So yes, the process takes effort, but it's absolutely achievable. Thousands of international pharmacists have already done it, and you can too. Ireland needs skilled healthcare professionals like you. So whether you study there or go through the PSI route, you can start your Irish pharmacy journey today. And if you're preparing for the PSI exam, we have the perfect preparation course for you as well. Comment below to know more, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press that bell icon to stay updated. I'll see you next time.